Hi all. How to find a Nifty bull run or a bear run with these tricks? First of all, if you calculate these 10 stocks, top 10 stocks, that will be 56%. If the 10 stocks is going down, Nifty also going down. The major percentage is 10 percentage, 8, and Infosys, ICICI. These 5 stocks around 10, 18, 26, 32, and 38 percentage. More than 25 percentage. These 5 stocks going down means Nifty 50 also going down. How to find easily Nifty going or up or down direction? Now I visit to onechart.in and whether the stocks are going up or not. First of all, how to use these charts? How to use this onechart.in charts? Here, when dots are appear, this is the buy signal. After this consolidation, the breakout is happened. This breakout showing very clearly in the form of dot formation and this structure. This is consolidation. After this flag pattern, small breakout is happened. This breakout showing like a dot. When this dot appear, we consider a buy signal. So this place also happen in this place also happen. How to avoid this particular place when the dot appear? See here from this place overbought zone. After this consolidation, there is a we consider as a overbought zone. So avoid in this place. We expect a fall. After this, we expect a fall. After some consolidation, this is a channel. So after this channel, breakout is happen. So buy in this place. Here also there is a consolidation. This is not a sudden fall. So here also there is a some flag pattern. So after this flag pattern, this will going up. Now another example. Here breakout is happen. After this flag pattern, small dot appear. We consider as a buy signal. So this is flag pattern. So here also Cummins India have big target. So beyond 1000. Another example, Havels. So some parallel channel. After that breakout, we consider as a bull run. So here small consolidation has happened and very bullish trend. So whenever the dot appear after the consolidation, we consider as a buy signal. Here the place is very bearish trend. So if it is breaks this line, so another target below 600. Next example, Amaraj battery. After this long consolidation, that means approximately 20 days, 20 to 30 days, 20 to 30 days. After that, if it is gap formation after 20 to 30 days, surely we will get very big target. Stop loss also very minimum. Next example, Bajaj Khan. Here dot formation is there. So after this consult a parallel channel. So it breaks the parallel channel. You consider as a sell signal. Here after consolidation, big fall is happen. So wait for the moment pullback. After that pullback, we take the entry after this breakout. This breakout, take entry and put the stop loss here. This is stop loss and entry. So after that, you continue till this pullback. The gap is continuous 10 days. So after this take entry, you continue up to another pullback. Already I said we are going to check this first 10 stocks, how the direction is going. Here Reliance also gap is there. So gap down. This is for uptrend. This side is for this left side is uptrend and right side is downtrend. There is a two chart. If you want more details, click the more chart. Here single line means just to if it is green, a buy signal and red it is sell signal. Now Reliance also gap down. Number one gap down and HDFC. Next HDFC Bank also gap down. Infosys. Infosys gap up, but today it is negative direction. So now two stocks are gap down. HDFC also gap down here. ICICI Bank there is a dot down direction. TCS also forming down direction. Kotak Bank and Indoliver, ITC, Axis Bank also dot formation is down direction. State Bank also gap down. That is dot formation in the down direction. Asian Paint and most of the stocks, first 20 stocks also, except Wipro and our Infosys. Wipro and Infosys are gap up. That means uptrend direction. These Wipro stocks are gap up, so this is up direction. And initially, third stock, I think third stock, Infosys also gap up. So from these 20 stocks, only two stocks only up direction. So remaining 18 stocks are going down. So Nifty also we consider as a down direction. Now I am going to test all indices. Nifty 50 in the red candle and Nifty Bank red formation, Sensex red formation. IT, this is a consolidation phase. IT only in the consolidation. So it forms a channel or flag pattern. So only IT stocks, Wipro, TCS like that only just 1% fall. Remaining all other stocks are 2%, 3% falling down. So today Nifty is 300 points gap down and forming went up to 500 points. So how this happened? Uh, that 20 stocks are all in negative direction. So that Nifty also gap down happened. So Nifty Pharma also gap RO Pharma. These like lifestyle stocks are very falling continuously last 2 to 3 weeks I think. Nifty Auto, PSC Banks, Energy. So all sectors pulling down. So what happened? Nifty art if the all indices are going down, here all sectors and indices are going down. Here look at this. Nifty 500. Nifty 500 also last 2 to 3 weeks going down only. So after small consolidation, after pullback, here look at this. After pullback falling and then after pullback, what happened? Again big fall. After pullback, again big fall. So today what happened? 300 points gap down Nifty. So for most of the stocks, 500 stocks are looking negative direction. So what happened? There is a gap down formation. In Bank Nifty, we can easily find the directions because in the Bank Nifty only 12 stocks are there. So here major percentage HDFC has 27 percentage I think. So here there is a gap down formation. One or first stock and second stock ICICI Bank, and also this is also gap down. SBI gap down. Kotak Bank in down direction. Dot formation. Axis Bank also clearly dot formation. Indus Bank dot formation. AU, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, IDFC. So all the 12 stocks are in gap gap dot formation. So what happened? The indices Bank Nifty 1200 points gap down. So if the 12 stocks are in dot formation, we can buy PE option in Bank Nifty. Some 12 rupees stocks and 12 rupees, 10 rupees stocks, we buy very low minimum amount. So after 2 weeks, definitely you will get big amount. And look here, August month. August month all are gap up formation. Here, note this place. August month. August, September, October. This month, after consolidation, breakout is happened. Some flag pattern. After that, gap of formation. So this is happened in 12 bank. So we can buy future Bank Nifty or buy call option. First we check August months for 12 stocks. Here the gap dot is formation up direction. So here also uptrend formation in August. August, September. So this is also bull run. Kotak Bank gap dot formation is happen in uptrend direction. Axis Bank In August month, there is a consultation and breakout is happen. Indus Bank, after heavy consultation, May, June, July, August. After that, small dot is formation. This is a buy signal. So August 3rd, this is also bull run. AU Bank, Bandhan Bank, August 3rd, this is fall direction, but it is a just 2 or 3 percentage in overall bank nifty percentages. So it will not affect the bank nifty value, bull run value. So this is the trick how to find bull run or negative direction. First you check the nifty weightages 10 stocks. After that go to the original chart and find the pullbacks. Here breakout is happen, another pullback, here the breakout. So another big fall. This is 4-hour candle. Every 4-hour candles are falling down. 1 hour also falling down. In 1 hour, the wick is continuously falling. No reversal. Today, last 1 hour, there is a pullback is happen. So this is 5 minutes. This pullback continuously and run up to 1 hour. In one chart, you can find. Thank you.